Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you the solution for this uh, failure occurred in build C. For this, what you need to install is base devil. So you can do pacman dash s then base level. If you are not using the manual installation, so this package might be missing. So just to be sure, uh, you have to install this. What I have done is, after installing this, there is no error. So if we look at this, I was gonna install the styling manager, so I was getting an error. So a failure build occur and error making this package. So for this simple fix is that. Thank you guys. So here is my obvious